if you are going to add a text on your video by using CapCut, you can easily do. So let's see how we can do this thing. Here I already opened a video or video clips on my CapCut project, and now I want to add a text over here. Like for example, I want to add a default text. To add a text, we just need to click this add text, and then we have to drag and drop it anywhere where we want to add the text. For example, I want to add the text here basically. So I'm going to put it here. Now here the text block is there. Now we need to choose it, and then right side we'll see text is there. We need to click basic, and here we'll see the text is written, some text is there, default text, and here it is showing the default text is there. To change or modify this text basically we just need to select it, remove it, and we need to type our own text, like for example FewSteps, and here I see the text has been changed. Now we can actually change the font. Like for example, we can choose the font like this thing. We can also change the font size, we can also change the pattern, then case, then color, and so many things. If we click here, the color panel will be open. From here we can choose any color, like for example red color, I'm going to choose it, and so many things you can choose from here. And that's it. In this way we can easily add a text on our video by using CapCut.